Hey everybody, this is a quick January 2026 update on the van. I did paint the floor, and it's just the floor is gonna always get beat up, so it's something I probably have to kind of clean up and paint again over and over again. But I did put in a 32-inch HD TV. I use hotspot. Now this is me looking out the door, looking out the side of the door where I have about 75 inches of bed floor space. And as I pan up, this is the opening of the roof, a huge, I think it's like 28 by 32 opening where I can stand. And I just started a sticker wall there, just a bunch of random stickers I had collected. Now, here's the firewall, and it's the 2 by 12s, three 2 by 12s stacked up and kind of just screwed into the side ribs, and then I keep all my tools and all the messy side of the build on that side. As I face the back, though, I've got a big shelf, a 20-inch shelf where I can microwave. I have the air fryer, a microwave, the air conditioner, a fan, and then I got like a spice rack above the microwave. And like right now, I'm standing, and I'm 6'2". Just keep my dry goods here. Just some cleaning supplies, and I've got something. I did do another change here. I did make a fixed little coffee table where I store the garbage can and toilet underneath, so you don't see it. And this is that in couch mode, which actually opens all the way up to about 74 inches, and I'm able to lay here comfortably. A few things. I mean, as I look at the kitchen here, the kitchen area, I've got this. It's I forget how many quarts this is, but I can stand a quart of milk, and just keep some stuff like cheese and eggs and stuff in there. This is 5 gallons of gray water, and then I've got in the back here behind the spice rack, I've got 5 gallons of fresh, and then I've got all this magnetized, all my knives and stuff magnetized to it. The microwave is a good size for here. This is actually pretty good. This Bouge RV 3500, and I don't have the lights on. It's daytime, but I think shelves are more functional. I know my electrical's exposed there. It's never a problem. Yeah, it's just storing stuff upward instead of under a bed seems to work for me. And the back is open enough where I can put a giant e-bike back there. I've got the prior video. I've got all my tools behind this firewall hidden away, so they're not going to go flying into the front. But nothing moves. I mean, this is solid as a rock. I've got it. I glued these on. I screwed them in with steel screws, and they've got PL8, which is an amazing material. I mean, PL8 will glue wood to steel like nothing. Really recommend that product. And the lighting, simple lighting underneath this and for the shelf area. This is a Low Roof Promaster 1500 2025, and I'm about 6'2", and I'm able to stand in here. Really don't get any visibility. I get ventilation here. If I pull air out of this, it'll suck air through here. But I've not had a drop of water in here. I've driven in sideways floor to rain, no issues. Just a different kind of design. Thanks.